Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need to know this up front. You cannot simply power off an Apple Watch from the paired iPhone. Once done, understand why. The watch's power controls are local for safety and battery integrity. Make sure you try the network options only if you cannot reach the device physically. Find My can lock or erase, but it won't issue a remote shutdown. So, begin by deciding whether you can access the watch or must use erase/lock as an alternative. If you cannot get to the watch, use Find My on your iPhone to protect data. Enable Lost Mode first, which locks it and shows contact info to a finder. Once done, choose Erase this device. This removes your data and account credentials remotely when the watch next goes online. Make sure to understand this is a wipe, not a power off. However, erasing prevents further use by others and is the only remote action that secures the device. To actually power the watch off, you must use the device itself. Press and hold the side button, then drag power off. Once done, if the watch is frozen and won't power down, force restart by holding the side button and digital crown together until the Apple logo shows. Make sure to release promptly. If you still have problems, unpair via the Watch app on your iPhone to erase and restore, or contact Apple support for hardware assistance. That's the reliable fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.